Hi everyone, I'm Miff and today I'm taking you through the warehouse with me. Follow me. This is our pickup area. Most of our deliveries get picked up in the afternoon. We actually have one happening right now and Amar is just putting some of our biodegradable stretch wrap on the pallet. This is our recyclable box wall. At Biogone, we try and reuse as many resources as possible. These are boxes that we have received deliveries in and we have packed them down ready for us to put orders in. This is our packing table. All of the products that we pack with are landfill-biodegradable. We have our mailers, bubble wrap, stretch and bundling wrap, our packing tape, and of course, a little thank you. Next to our packing desk, we have all of our product for our small orders, like our 10-litre landfill biodegradable bin liners. And around the corner, we have all of our stock for our larger wholesale orders. For our larger orders, we will ship our products in cartons and we'll even ship them on an entire pallet. We're passionate about recycling as much as possible. We recycle our pallet strapping, our cardboard, our clear soft plastic, and our coloured soft plastic as well. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to learn more, go to biogone.com.au and learn how you can make a positive impact. All right, Monica, let's get back to work.